Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we'll be reviewing Slime Obsidian on Instagram. Here are the extras that he sent. He sent borax, a note, and an airhead. This one is Peach Cloud. When I first got it, it wasn't filled to the top and it was really crumbly and it had just so much snow fallout. So it just kept getting smaller and smaller. Later on, I added some of my own white slime. It was just plain white slime and then it made it just really amazing. It fluffs up so well now and I just love it. It's scented like a peach gummy. Fall is just spectacular too. I'm in love with this slime and it's just so amazing. Falls also aren't too fast and aren't too slow, so it's just the perfect fall. I love it so much. Here's also some extra footage and information about this amazing slime. Like I said before, it fluffs up so well and it has just the most amazing fall I've ever seen. And as you can probably tell, I sped up the footage a bit, but I think I like it this way a lot more. This one's Churro Cream. It's a thick khaki color slime with little black sprinkles. It's scented like cinnamon buns, and I just love the scent so much. It's my favorite out of all of these. It's just so clicky as well, and because it's so thick, it spreads so well also. This is Oreo Double Stuff. It's a thick white-based slime with black chunks and marshmallow beads. The bag had a little label, which the other two didn't have. The slime was a bit sticky upon arrival, but that was just because of the temperature during shipping. Super clicky and thick, but not very glossy after playing with it for a while. This slime is just so amazing and I'm already in love with it. It smells so good, just like a mix of perfume and Oreo cookies. Just so fun and amazing to play with, and it's definitely one of my favorites out of every single slime that I've ever felt. Here's some extra information about this slime. Overall, I rate these slimes Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.